Mike Cora, the shearing master, against James Russell, one of his former students, now competing head-to-head here in the North American Sheep Shearing Championship. Alright, this is our Open Professional Final. They have 8 sheep to shear in the finals. Alright, 101 on that first sheep for Mike Cora. James Russell still finishing up that side. That was the fastest time of the day for him. Says he can find him unofficially here. So that was 101 for Mike Cora. James Russell, 120 unofficially, goes back for his second sheep. We hope that you just joined us. It's our final round for the North American Sheep Shearing Championship. It is a time and a judge event. With the judges on the board rotating with a counter in their hand. They're adding a penalty point. The shearers look over the same area twice. They're going to have penalty points for that. But maybe with a patch of wool that's only been cut once and it's still quite long, they're going to have penalty points for that. Mike Cora at 212 on his second sheep. There. James Russell still working his second sheep. He's going to be quick, but he's going to be clean as well. After each sheep is shorn, we send them back to be inspected by our head judges and they add additional penalty points. We want to earn as few points as possible. Low score wins today. Our champion will be the low score. All right. We've got Mike Cora working on his third sheep. Rolling over onto the side, that long blow all the way up the back. Every stroke counts, every stroke as close to the skin as possible. Now Mike Cora did win the Eastern Canada Speed Shearing competition that they had at hosting there July 1st. James Russell also competed in that. So Mike was quickest there in that speed shearing competition. Is not judged in the same way. The quality of the workmanship is the most important thing to us here at the Calgary Stampede. Yes, we do give time and penalty points, 1 point for every 20 seconds. But more importantly, we are watching and very carefully and judging the quality of the workmanship. Fast, but with a great deal of finesse. All right, there we see Mike Cora rolling that lamb around on the side, keeping that ear out of the way. We don't want that ear in the home. Rolling that sweater off the shoulder, up under the front leg. That's a real loose spot under there. The skin is very loose, so it's easy to catch the comb in that spot. Stretching that neck out. Now I see James starting rolling that off. Now Mike goes back for his fifth sheep. That's great. It's all about the efficiency of your stroke. You want to make every stroke count. You also want to make sure you're not making unnecessary movements and using up too much of your own energy as well. You know, shearing sheep on the farms and sheep stations, they say sheep shearers burn about 800 calories per hour doing this job. And after a full hour, or full day, I should say, on the shearing stand, it's the equivalent of running 2 or 3 marathons every day just to make a living. They get paid on a per-head basis. So they want to shear as many sheep as they can, but most importantly, they want to send those sheep back to the producers when they're very clean and neat and ready to go back out into the pasture and start growing that wool back and gaining weight, eating as much as they can, wanting to be as healthy as possible when they leave the shearing stand. All right, now we've got Mike Cora working his 6th sheep, and James Russell is working his 5th sheep right now. Now I was just asked today, stomp their feet, and they'll turn in a little bit to make the sheep and take notice and maybe quit squirming a bit, but it's not because they want to make sure they keep the sheep feet all broken up off the floor, just so that they don't try and make their great escape. James is on his 6th as well. My apologies, I said 5th, he's on his 6th as well. This is close. This is close to our 2 shearers here. Alright, now James has turned up the pace and he goes back on his 7th sheep ahead of Mike Cora. Mike working that final side there. He's not squirming just a little bit more, making it a little bit tough. Got to get every scrap of wool right down the leg, making sure that comb is cutter on as close to the skin as you can. Now he goes back for his 7th sheep. Tucks that leg in behind, takes off that belly roll first and throws it off to the side. And on that hind quarter, opening up the fleece, up the neck goes with the hand. Over on James' side, he just took off the mountain chops off the cheek, and now he's rolling the spreader off the 2nd shoulder. Down that side. And as quick as he can to get to that final flank. Down that final leg. 1, 2, 3, and he's done that one. He goes back for his 8th and final sheep. Mike Cora working that 7th sheep there, down that last side, down the leg, all the way down that sock, over the tail, and he's done and goes back for his final sheep. Folks, let's cheer him on. This is their final sheep. Now the name of our open your ear, cheer him on. I see James Russell opening up the fleece, Mike picking up the pace. We want to shear as quick as he can, but he's still got to remember to be clean. Opening up the fleece, blowing the sweater off. I see the long blow there. James Russell, all the way from the top of the tip of the tail to the top of the head. Right now, there's just over 1 minute per head. A sheep, about 60 seconds for each of their sheep. Both of our competitors. This is first. Take it back down the final side. Cheer on, James. Good job for James, and there we go, Mike Cora as well. Whoa, that was quite a speed shearing competition on that last sheep, that's for sure. And now we're going to judge that sheep and make sure we assess any additional penalty points that our 2 shearers have earned. Let's hear it again, folks, for our finalists in that Olympic